some earthworms. Yep. They're here. See? There it is.
That.
Yeah, there it is. Go.
Don't touch.
All right, Bridget, you gonna be our cinematographer for this, or videographer?
I could see you, Ivy, and Mom.
Yeah.
How do you turn?
Cute.
Dad, how do you turn the video on?
No,
No,
just
leave
stop.
it,
Bridget,
leave
yeah, there you go. It's already running, bud.
Okay.
So, today was supposed to be dumping the potatoes out, but it's turned into earthworm hunting. Yes.
I see them.
And earthworms are cute. So we're just gonna start dumping potatoes. Hey girl, come on.
Where's your other glove?
Let's leave him right here, Ivy.
Hey, Marley, where's your other glove?
Do you think we should trim this off a little bit? Plants? Like just kind of like get the excess off that way it's out of the way.
Marley, you with the glove or no? Okay.
Keep earthworms off.
Come on, put it over there.
Put it in the pile.
Where's a bucket? Earthworms will eat this. It's so yummy. No, they won't. They don't eat that. No. They eat dirt. No. There's what?
Bridget, stop, honey. Bridget, why are you touching it?
What?
Bridget, step back.
Okay, Dad.
Bridget, look, do not mess with it, okay? Here's the reason why. Bridget, no, Marley, please. Girls, I want you to experiment, I want you to learn it, I want you to do it, but not out here in the mud on the hard ground, okay? Bridget, if you want to play with it, we will play with it in the house and we can start running around.
We're gonna dump it in a minute.
Yep. All right, Marley, step back. We're going to dump it that way. Let's actually,
Guys, we'll see if ladybugs eat this. No, there might not be any.
Hey, girls.
No, Bridget, it's not going to work.
Cheers!
Come
Pull it apart.
over here. Marley, come over here.
Grab it, Bridget. Marley, don't throw rocks. You do it.
I'll take you guys over to show you this. Hey, Bridget, show me that.
I want that.
Okay, put it in the bucket.
Ew. Which one?
Yeah, I don't know what this stuff is. Maybe some of you guys do, but we sure don't. This is our first time doing it. Marley, pick that. Marley. No, Marley, stop. Marley, go get your potato and put it in here, please. Yep.
It's got too wet.
Yeah, especially in the last couple of days where it's been rainy, and we knew better. We were watching it. We were watching the weather. We knew.
Sooner.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, we kept getting distracted with other things. We should have put it on the calendar.
Dad, look, Dad.
Marley, show me your potato.
Here, you show.
Marley, is that your potato? Bridget, no, ma'am. Bridget, please.
Use your hands, bud.
Yeah, Bridget,
Show you how
Bridget,
to.
knocking it with your foot is different than kicking it, or moving it with your foot is different than kicking it, huh?
Yeah. Use your hands.
Hey, neighbor thing. So, Bridget, remember, don't touch it. So, this is our total take. The camera's currently focused right here at the top, so hold them here. So, and I forget which kind these were, but it's obviously one of the soft skin kind, which now we realize might not be the best option to use for us out here. But yeah.
Those are bigger than I thought they would be based on what Amy said. But
Well, we thought they were going to be a little smaller too, and there were a couple in there that were huge, but were just completely rotten. Look at it and put it back.
Tiny.
Yes.
This is a tiny
Bridget,
one.
no, Bridget, it's focused right here, so you need to show it right here. No, Bridget, you can do it. Just do it right there, down at the level of this.
This is it's a tiny one. It's one of the tiny ones. There's very teeny tiny ones.
They haven't weighed it yet, but I figured it'd be a couple of pounds. Yeah, especially for the amount of effort we put into it. And you see, if we would have let it go, it would have gotten there.
Here's one of the big ones.
nice.
Here's another small one. It's a little bit bigger than the other one.
Ivy, what was that?
Yes.
My Bridget.
Your Bridget?